Hello everyone and welcome back to another live. We have a very fun little special haul to show you today. We have one new item, one new drop that we're putting out today, but the rest of the stuff is some pieces I want to highlight to you guys that we are about to run out of, that are super amazing pieces from brands we love that are now on sale as a part of our 20% off everything sale that are definitely not going to make it to Black Friday. So I just want to highlight these pieces for you guys so you don't miss out on getting a hold of your favorite pieces. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Nina, and here at Lit every Tuesday and Thursday I hop on live to show you guys what we have gotten in new for the week. Our sister account, Style by Lit, is down below in the comments, and she will be sending you the names and discounted prices of everything I'm showing you as I show it, so that if you see something you like, you can go ahead and take a screenshot and head straight to our website or one of our stores to do some shopping. Alright, let's start with what I am wearing today. So first of all, this outfit is styled kind of as like a Thanksgiving inspo. My vibe for Thanksgiving this year is cute but comfy, so I feel like a crucial part of that is comfy, cozy knits. It is finally getting cold out. It is very, very chilly, so we want to be as cozy as possible, and a nice knit is crucial to that. So this is the We Wore What V-neck oversized sweater in oat. I love this sweater. It is so comfy. It's so it's such a unique cut. I love the kind of asymmetrical hem on it. I feel like it's so cute and unique. And so today I paired it with these leather leggings from Commando. These are like a Thanksgiving must for me. They are so comfy and cute. Okay, let me show you. So these are the flared ones. So they have a little bit of a flared hem, and I feel like that dresses them up, makes the outfit a little bit more complete and cute and a little bit more chic. And it's so fun. These are also just like so flattering. They're so stretchy. They're so comfortable. These are like one of my favorite bottoms of all time because they look amazing. They cinch you in so well, and they are so comfy. Like, you can definitely enjoy a good Thanksgiving meal in these pants, but still look so cute and chic. And then I'm also wearing these Dolce Vita boots. They've got a little bit of a platform, which I love. I love a little bit of a chunky boot, and they go really nicely with these little flared leggings. All right, so that is what I am wearing today. This is my Thanksgiving inspo outfit, but let's start with what we have gotten new for today. So we've got these beautiful, beautiful cobalt blue trousers. These are such a gorgeous piece. They're satin and so beautiful, so flattering, such a good flowy pant. I absolutely love the idea of these for the holidays. If you are looking for more of a statement piece for Thanksgiving, these are definitely a good choice as well. But I especially love them for like a holiday, New Year's kind of look. I am obsessed with the idea of sizing these up, wearing them low rise, kind of like mid to low, kind of on your hips, so they hang off a little bit and get a little slouchy, with a cute pair of heels and like a sequin top or a corset of sorts. I feel like that's such a fun look, such a pretty color. This is such a good color for New Year's and the holiday season. This cobalt blue is so major, and it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. I love the button on this as well because it is also satin, which is just such a gorgeous detail. We've got that little bit of pleating on the front, so it hangs really well, and you get the flowiness of the trouser without any added bulk up top. These lie really flat on your waist and on your tummy, which is so flattering and gorgeous, and they're just such a good fit. I love the wide leg on these. They're absolutely stunning. The perfect length too, so such a gorgeous piece. Really excited about these for the holidays, and like I said, everything is included in the 20% off sale, so these are 20% off as well. Alright, now I want to get into the pieces that you guys need to get a hold of before they are gone. These are not going to make it to Black Friday, so that is why we're highlighting these today. First up, we've got the Maggie Dress from For Love and Lemons. Truthfully, the majority of our For Love and Lemons pieces are not going to make it all the way to Black Friday. They are not going to survive the sale that we have going on now. They're getting stashed up so fast, and we have very few pieces left. But we love the Maggie Dress. It's this beautiful knit. This is definitely a great Thanksgiving piece as well. You can definitely like layer a cute blazer or oversized jacket over this or something and make it work for Thanksgiving. It's such a gorgeous knit. The ribbing is beautiful. It's very thick and comfortable, and definitely a good, nice, stretchy fabric. Depending on how you size it, these cutouts are very subtle, so it's definitely good and can be very like family friendly for the holiday. But it's such a gorgeous piece. Definitely a good night out piece for like a cute girls' night out, getting some drinks. Such a gorgeous piece. I love the length of it. It's a perfect midi. It's so gorgeous with a pair of like knee-high boots and a cute long coat for the cold weather. Just a really beautiful piece. The color is stunning. So good for the fall and winter. A beautiful dress from For Love and Lemons. Next up, we've got the Sammy Corset. This is one of our best-selling tops of all time. We've reordered it because you guys absolutely love this top. this is the reorder. So once these are gone, they're gone. But this one is so, so beautiful. We love the lace detailing with the lined cups, with the thick straps. It's just such a gorgeous top. It's got the like thick band with the little hook and eye closures on the back. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. This is the perfect going out top. This weekend is probably a lot of people's last weekend in the city before they head home for the holidays. This is your perfect top for that occasion. It's so, so cute. Looks great with a pair of like leather pants or with an oversized leather jacket and a little mini skirt and some boots. So many ways to style this. You could, even if you want it to be a little bit more, like some more coverage, a great way to style this piece is to put like a white button down under and then put this over. So you still get that like cinched waist and a little bit of dimension to your outfit. And it's so cute and looks so gorgeous and is so, so flattering. This top lies really flat when you layer it, which is a must when you put like a corset over a chunkier top. So this is really great for that as well. So, so cute. I think we only have about 6 or 7 of these left. All right, next up is the Wewe Wet Faux Leather Reversible Vest. My gosh, losing my words. This, you guys know how much I love this piece. I've worn it several times on live. It's so, so gorgeous. Such a beautiful winter accessory, especially for this kind of in-between fall-winter period where it's cold, but not like super long puffer jacket cold. This is a great layering piece for this season. There are only a few of these left. I think like 4 or 5 in all of our stores, across all of our stores. We've got a couple here at Newbury, so if you want one, come and shop at Newbury. But it's just a gorgeous piece. The fact that it's reversible makes it so versatile and can be used for so many different styles and occasions. It's a really, really beautiful piece. And I love a vest to just add a little bit of something special to any kind of more simple outfit. It's such a gorgeous piece. All right, next up, another vest. You guys know I'm kind of on a vest kick right now. But this one, the Aubrey vest, this is from Steve Madden. We're running low on this one as well. I've talked about this vest before, of course, on live. But in case you forgot, my favorite thing about this vest is that the entire inside is fully Sherpa lined. So often with Sherpa pieces, you only get the lining on the collars or on the cuffs or the sleeves. But this piece is fully Sherpa lined inside the entirety of the vest, which means it's such a good, cozy, and comfy piece. And the denim is really nice and soft as well. So this is a really great, great piece for comfort and coziness, and like I said, a little bit of added style with a vest to any kind of more simple outfit. So, so cute, and the perfect amount of oversized. I love the length on this piece. It's really, really gorgeous. All right, next up, another Wewe Wet piece. This is the oversized Moto jacket. This one is everyone's favorite piece right now. This is definitely going to be gone within the next few days. It's so stunning. The perfect amount of oversized, so soft and warm. The lining on this, it's like triple layered with this nice soft, like almost mesh material. It's so fantastically soft. The perfect amount of oversized, so perfect for the holidays, for a night out. It's absolutely stunning. This is, in my opinion, the perfect oversized leather jacket, and I have been on the hunt for the perfect oversized leather jacket for years and years, and this is genuinely it. It's such a lovely fitting jacket, absolutely perfect. All right, and next up, the vegan leather cargos. These, again, are a really great pant for Thanksgiving because they're so comfy and a little bit stretchy, but still so chic and stylish and flattering. We absolutely love these pants here, and already, these just dropped, I think, last week, and already we are down to just a few of these. You definitely want to snatch these up while they're 20% off because that is an amazing deal on these fabulous pants, and they are not going to last much longer. The fit of these is so great. They're perfectly fitted through the waist and hip, and then you get that nice wide leg throughout the pant. The perfect cargo. They're very, very warm, even though the fabric is really light, and the inside is this fabulous, really soft kind of like almost suede fuzzy lining. It's really, really comfortable, so fabulous. All right, next up, oh my gosh, now that we are in cold weather, Boys Lie is a must. So we've got all these Boys Lie sets. We've only got a few pieces left of each of our Boys Lie sets, and they are just so, so perfect to have during the winter. There's nothing better than putting on one of these big oversized cozy hoodies and these gorgeous matching sweatpants and just having a cozy night in, or even when you run errands. I personally love that matching sweatshirt and sweatpants set with a cute chunky sneaker or boot and just like a slick back bun and some nice jewelry. I feel like it looks so chic and cute and cool, and so these are definitely a must-have for the winter for that style and for any at-home cozy looks. These are definitely going to be gone before Black Friday. We have very few pieces of our Boys Lie sets left. You definitely want to snatch them up. So we've got the sweatpant and sweatshirt sets. We also have those very, very cute fold-over yoga flared legging sets in the brown that are so gorgeous and comfy. So definitely do not miss out on these. They're a must-have for the winter. All right, next up, a few more great looks for Thanksgiving. So this beautiful, beautiful sweater, it's a little bit of like that cold shoulder style, but it looks so incredibly chic. We've got like this braided moment happening down the sides of the sleeves and just the perfect length on the sweater as well. I love the slits on the sides because it just makes the sweater fall in a very flattering way, kind of like flat and smoothing rather than too oversized or chunky. And a perfect little turtleneck moment as well. And the color is absolutely beautiful. This hunter green, perfect for the winter, for Thanksgiving, for all the Christmas holidays and winter holidays coming up. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. Only a few of these left. And it's such a beautiful, soft, well-constructed sweater. We love this. All right, another great piece for Thanksgiving is this gorgeous little sweater dress. This is such a beautiful piece. So we've got the little pearl details throughout, are just such a nice little elegant touch. And this sweater is just such a really, really good piece for Thanksgiving. Like I was saying, that kind of stretchy, comfortable moment that we're looking for this holiday this year. This sweater dress with like a pair of tights and the knee-high boots. Such a cute look, but you're going to be so incredibly comfortable. So definitely a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Only a few of these left in the store. All right, all of our cashmere pieces from Brody Cashmere, these beautiful, incredibly made, fabulous cashmere pieces are included in the 20% off sale. So that is a huge discount on these beautiful, beautiful cashmere sweaters. Oh my God, they're absolutely beautiful and such fun colors. I love this gorgeous pink with the little orange details, and we have a ton of other pieces from Brody Cashmere as well, but this one is our #1 bestseller. It's so, so beautiful, and we had to reorder because you guys loved it so, so much, but we don't know if we're going to be able to reorder again, so definitely get these before Black Friday because all of the Brody pieces are getting snatched up with this sale. So beautiful. All right, and our last piece that I'm going to show you guys today is this gorgeous dress from Line and Dot. If you're having a little bit more of like a dressy Thanksgiving, I feel like this is the absolute perfect piece. It's very, very classy and elegant, but still youthful and gorgeous. We've got this beautiful draped neckline with the little collar up here. It is a mini dress, but it is a good length, probably going to hit right mid, like lower thigh to above the knee, depending on your height. We've got the nice ruching on the side of the skirt with like just a little bit of a slit, kind of an illusion slit almost, and the long sleeves with the beautiful little flared cuffs. The nice thing about this dress, for Thanksgiving especially, is we have the elastic on the back of the dress. So it's a very, very comfortable piece, and then we have the ruching as well. So it's definitely good for like smoothing and making you look your absolute best. And it's just a really, really beautiful, flattering piece and such a nice fabric as well. It's a very like thick satin. If you guys watched when I did this one on live, it's nice like thick structured satin that's absolutely gorgeous. Only a couple pieces left of this dress. You definitely want to get it before Black Friday. All right. All right, you guys, that is all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely head to our stores or our website to do some shopping. Everything is 20% off, and you do not want to miss it. Thanks, guys. Have a fabulous rest of your day.